Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you this really easy vanilla buttercream frosting, perfect for piping and frosting cakes and cupcakes. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So all you need to make this frosting is unsalted butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla. Okay guys, let's get into it. I'm adding my unsalted butter to my mixing bowl. And I'm just using my whisk attachment, and you just want to mix this until creamy. So you want to go ahead and add your powdered sugar a little at a time. The reason why you want to gradually add your powdered sugar is, for one, you don't want a cloud of sugar in your face, but also you want to make sure the sugar is blending well together with the butter. Okay, so I'm adding a little bit more powdered sugar to my mixing bowl. So this is the frosting that I use for the classic vanilla sheet cake on my channel, so be sure to stick around and watch that video. Here I'm adding my pure vanilla extract. Make sure to scrape down your mixing bowl to make sure everything is blending together. So this is the last of the powdered sugar. If you want to thin out your frosting, you can add a couple teaspoons of milk. So once all your ingredients have been added, you want to go ahead and whip this on high speed to create volume, and this will give you a fluffy frosting. So there you have it guys, an easy vanilla buttercream frosting. So once again guys, this 3-ingredient frosting is perfect for piping on your cupcakes and frosting your cakes. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and give this recipe a try. Make sure you click that notification bell so you know when I upload a video, and I'll see you next time.